Bubble trouble.
Bubbles! Oh no!
Roll Rolly over the nearest bubble using the arrow keys. As soon as you hear a bubble pop, go to a new bubble.
Got you! Yeah! Yeah! Flattened you! Yes, that's great! You flattened them, Rolly! I did flatten it!
Shall we try again?
Use the mouse to move the bowl around the screen until Pilchard's snores get louder. This means you are closer to where she's hiding. I need to find Pilchard. I'm sure she's here somewhere. Where can she be? Dinner time, Pilchard! Come and get it!
Shall we try again?